Right now, if we click on the search button here, we're going to get an error. And what we need to do is put in an if-else statement in here in our gigs controller. So let's go into our gigs controller, and in our search method down here, what we'll do is say if params category blank and params search is blank, then gigs equals gig dot all, and the order is created at descending order, and we'll still need our page params. Per 25, else do that. So now if we do a refresh, it should work. And actually, let's just do that again from the beginning. So if there's nothing in here, just click on the search and it'll give us everything. Now you'll see here that this still all says Google Enterprises because we're on the search page here, the search HTML ERB page. If you go back, this is all the stuff that we added in our previous lesson. So let's make this page look the same. And the best way to do that is to extract all of this out, the gig listings. So let me just show you what I mean by that. So what we're going to do is going to have a new layout, and we're going to call it underscore gig listings HTML ERB. And what I'm going to do is take this section all the way down to the bottom, copy it, and render layouts gig listings, and then in here paste it all in. Now if I do a refresh or just go to our home page, you'll see that it's all still there, and we'll want to do the same exact thing in our search page. So search HTML ERB, you can take all of this in the index page, copy it, take it all, and then paste it. And then up here, we don't need this user count, and we can say your search resulted in the total amount of gigs. So let's just see what that looks like. Click on our search. Your search resulted in 49 gigs. So there you have it. And it's got some styling issues right here. What we can do is just put it, where's our H1 tag? We didn't close it off. That's what it is. There you go. Your search resulted in 49 gigs. And on the right hand side here, the left hand side here, click on engineer, 0 gigs for engineers. For web development, 14 gigs for web development. Good, so we've got that working for us. And one thing that we forgot to do as well was to fix up the blank little squares right here. So right now it's trying to reach out to a glyph icon, when what we really wanted to do is have it be a font awesome. So let's just see. Or it's actually looking for, if it's not a glyph icon, an actual image. Yeah, see, glyph icon right here. So let's change this right here so that it's actually pointing to or trying to get a font awesome value. So we'll say calendar, and let's put that wrong. FA list, we'll just put in here. Now do a refresh, and there you have it. We have our font awesome icons right there, and this is on the search page, so if we go back into our home page, it shows up there as well. So that's one of the very, very nice things of having partials, is because you can essentially just render the same exact thing and change it in one place instead of having to change it in two different places. So if we just kept it the same way, we kept the index page and the search page the same, then we'd have to go back and change the glyph icons or to Font Awesome on both pages. But because they're both rendering gig listings, all you have to do is change it in one place, which is down here. So now that works for us.